Welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss top 7 most powerful V4 engine motorcycles for 2024. Number 7. Honda CBR 1000RR. The 2024 Fireblade, which captures the essence of speed and agility with its improved aerodynamics and retuned engine, emerges as a monument to engineering and design. It slices through air currents. Inspired by the grace of a catfish, its fairing has tiny yet efficient winglets that enhance downforce and cornering precision with an almost effortless grace. Fundamentally, a redesigned 1000cc inline-4 engine pulsates with 214 horsepower. This power delivery is harmonic and sings across the RPM range thanks to careful improvements, including lighter valves and a redesigned crankshaft. Honda's revolutionary two-motor throttle-by-wire system offers a previously unheard-of degree of control, enabling a sophisticated balancing act between high-rev excitement and low-end responsiveness. The sophisticated electronics package on this bike includes wheelie control, engine braking management, and personalized ride modes. Number 6. Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. The engineering marvel and personification of excitement that is the Aprilia V4 Factory is made to take riding to new heights. A powerful 1077cc V4 engine at the core of it can produce an incredible 175 horsepower, guaranteeing that every twist of the throttle will result in an instantaneous and thrilling burst of power. Its aggressive design combines elegance and aerodynamics to create a bike that grabs attention both on and off the track. This machine is not simply about sheer force. Innovative technologies, such as traction control and cornering ABS, combine to provide a thrilling and secure ride by instantly responding to the demands of the road. With ergonomics developed for aggressive riding without compromising comfort throughout extended rides, rider comfort is not an afterthought. Number 5. Suzuki Hayabusa. In honor of its 25th anniversary, Suzuki has combined its tradition of supremacy and engineering prowess to create the 2024 Hayabusa, which echoes 25 years of road-ruling glory. Inspired by the peregrine falcon, its design embodies sophistication and performance with its eye-catching glass blaze orange and glass sparkle black color scheme and unique lines, which are accentuated with Hayabusa kanji symbols. Fundamentally, a 1340cc DOHC engine with symmetrical dual silencer exhaust, S-Radi intakes, and ride-by-wire technology produces a strong and thrilling ride. With the launch of the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, riders may now customize their riding experience with a range of technological aids, including a bi-directional quick-shift system and cruise control. Number 4. Ninja ZX-10R. The Ninja ZX-10R awoke like a dragon, sensing the rush of speed, its body a perfect balance of aggression and aerodynamics, ready to make history as it roared to life. Beyond only providing light, its LED headlights acted as a menacing predator's eyes in the dusk, and its sophisticated instrumentation revealed the machine's inner workings, including lean angles, lap times, and other metrics that promised speed. Leaning heavily on the world superbike experience of the Kawasaki racing team, every aspect of the Ninja ZX-10R was refined for performance, encapsulating the heritage of its predecessors inside its structure. The bike's integrated winglets provided precision and downforce, and its variety of riding modes let riders customize their experience on the fly, from fierce attacks on the road to taming the beast in the rain. The ride itself was a dance with power. Number 3. YZF R1M. The YZF R1M is a superbike that represents the highest level of Yamaha's technical expertise. This two-wheeled masterpiece oozes both elegance and aggressiveness with its trademark R-Series style. Its 998cc inline four-cylinder engine, which takes cues from Yamaha's YZR-M1 MotoGP race bike, powers the whole thing. Riders may reach speeds of up to 180 miles per hour with this thrilling 200 horsepower liquid-cooled powerhouse. Even when changing gears quickly, quick-shift technology guarantees smooth operation. The YZF-R1M is a demonstration of Yamaha's dedication to performance and innovation, with super sport brakes, dynamic Öhlins electronic racing suspension, and advanced electronic controls. With the 2024 YZF-R1M, you can ride over winding mountain roads or dominate the racetrack, and it will be a fantastic experience. Number 2, Ducati Panigale V4 S. The Panigale V4 S is a technical marvel that combines unmatched performance with a stunning appearance. Its upgraded cooling system with modified extraction sockets and redesigned compact double-profile wings represent notable design and practical enhancements. The bike is mine. Components include a new SBK gearbox with modified gears for a dominant presence on the track and a sophisticated torque management system for unparalleled acceleration. The chassis is equipped with an electronically regulated pressurized fork, which improves handling and stability. Ducati's attention to ergonomics is demonstrated by the revised tank and seat, which enhance rider performance and endurance. With configurable engine combinations, advanced electronic controls, which include a new power mode logic, cater to a wide range of riders. Number 1, Ducati Panigale V4 R. The Desmosedici Stradale R engine, a feat of engineering that puts this beast at the top of the supersport motorcycle class with its 218 horsepower output and incredible 16,100 RPM potential in 6th gear, is the engine that powers the Panigale V4 R. It is more than just a bike. It is a competitive vehicle that brings unmatched aerodynamic design and aggressive stance to the streets. It is a race-ready machine that reflects the spirit of World SBK and MotoGP technology. Thanks to the combination of the high-performance oil created in partnership with Shell and its entire racing exhaust, it can produce an astounding 240.5 horsepower when prepared for the track. With its cutting-edge chassis and electronics, this flagship Ducati not only promises to rule the racetrack but also provides an incredible ride that blurs the distinction between human and machine. The Panigale V4 R is prepared to rule the tarmac with anyone brave enough to unleash its full potential. It is a monument to speed, accuracy, and the unwavering pursuit of perfection.